Wash and peel the parwal, pointed gourd. Cut it into 1-inch pieces, and peel and chop the potatoes. Heat some mustard oil in a pan, then add the potatoes and parwal, pointed gourd. Stir over medium heat until they turn golden brown. Remove the parwal and potatoes from the pan and set them aside. Heat oil in a pan or kadai over medium flame, then add cumin seeds, bay leaf, red chilies, and big cardamom, allowing them to crackle. Once the spices start to crackle, add the finely chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add chopped tomatoes to the onions and sauté until the mixture turns golden brown. Then incorporate salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Continue to cook until the oil separates from the masala. Add some water to bring it to a boil, stir occasionally, and let it cook covered for 5 to 6 minutes. Remove the lid, add the potato slices and parwal to the prepared gravy, and pour in enough water to cover the vegetables. Bring to a boil, then cover the pan and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and fully cooked. Remove the lid, stir in the garam masala, and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Adjust the salt and spices to taste, then cover the pan again. Before serving, garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy this authentic Desi-style sabzi. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Diary of Dishes. Happy cooking!